The Vantrue N4, THINKWARE F200 Pro, Viofo A229 Plus, BlackVue DR900X, and Viofo A129 Pro Duo are the most popular dash cams of 2024. But which is the absolute best? We are going to compare them to each other and score them in various categories, with some categories holding more weight than others. In the end, we'll decide which is the best one based on the final score, and we will declare the absolute winner. Let's dive in. First, we are going to compare them on the video quality category, which has a multiplier of 2. The Vantrue N4 boasts impressive 4K resolution for the front camera, delivering crisp and detailed footage. However, the rear and interior cameras are limited to 1080p, which may not capture as much detail in challenging lighting conditions. 8 out of 10. On the other hand, THINKWARE F200 Pro offers full HD 1080p resolution for both front and rear cameras, providing decent clarity for everyday driving. While it doesn't match the 4K quality of some competitors, its Sony StarViz image sensor enhances low-light performance. 7 out of 10. Up next, Viofo A229 Plus impresses with its 2K QHD resolution for both front and rear cameras, striking a balance between detail and file size. The Sony StarViz 2 sensor delivers excellent image quality, especially in low-light conditions, though it falls short of true 4K. 8 out of 10. Moving on, the BlackVue DR900X takes the lead with true 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera, capturing incredibly detailed footage. The rear camera's full HD resolution is a slight letdown, but the overall image quality is outstanding, especially with its use of HEVC compression. 9 out of 10. Up next, Viofo A129 Pro Duo offers an excellent 4K resolution for the front camera, providing crystal clear footage with impressive detail. The rear camera is limited to 1080p, which is a bit disappointing, but the overall video quality is still impressive for its price point. 8 out of 10. The BlackVue DR900X takes the crown in the video quality category with 9 points, thanks to its true 4K resolution and superior image processing capabilities. Next, we are going to compare them on the size and installation category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. Vantrue N4 is a compact 3-channel dash cam that's easy to install, with a sleek design that doesn't obstruct your view. However, routing the cables for all 3 cameras can be a bit time-consuming. I'd give it 7 out of 10 for size and installation. Next, the THINKWARE F200 Pro has a slim, wedge-shaped design that fits neatly behind your rear-view mirror, making it nearly invisible from outside. The lack of a display screen might make initial setup a bit tricky, but it contributes to its discreet profile. I rate it 8 out of 10 for size and installation. Moving on, the Viofo A229 Plus offers a compact design with a new quad-mode GPS receiver for more precise data. The installation process is straightforward, but the GPS mount isn't compatible with older models, which might be inconvenient for some users. It scores 8 out of 10 for size and installation. Next up, BlackVue DR900X boasts a cylindrical design that's both stylish and functional, allowing for easy rotation and adjustment. The installation is pretty straightforward with a plug-and-play design that makes it simple to set up. I give it 9 out of 10 for size and installation. On the other hand, Viofo A129 Pro Duo features a sleek, low-profile design that doesn't obstruct your view. The installation process is user-friendly, with an intuitive app for setup, though routing the rear camera cable might require some effort. It earns 8 out of 10 for size and installation. The BlackVue DR900X takes the lead in this category with 9 points, thanks to its sleek design and easy installation process that even a novice can handle. Next, we are going to compare them on the storage capacity category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. Vantrue N4 supports microSD cards up to 256 gigabytes, which is decent for a mid-range dash cam. However, I found that with 3 cameras recording simultaneously, you'll need to clear the storage more frequently than some competitors. 6 out of 10. Up next, THINKWARE F200 Pro accepts microSD cards up to 128 gigabytes, which is somewhat limiting for a dual-channel system. On the plus side, it offers time-lapse recording to help conserve space during parking mode. 5 out of 10. Viofo A229 Plus takes microSD cards up to 256 gigabytes, providing ample space for its dual-camera setup. I appreciate that it automatically overwrites old footage when the card is full, ensuring you never miss an important event. 7 out of 10. Next, the BlackVue DR900X supports microSD cards up to a whopping 512 gigabytes, which is fantastic for its 4K recording capabilities. The downside is that you'll need to invest in a pricey, high-capacity card to take full advantage of this feature. 9 out of 10. Next up, Viofo A129 Pro Duo accepts microSD cards up to 256 gigabytes, offering a good balance of storage for its 4K front and 1080p rear cameras. I found the high bitrate recordings eat up space quickly, but the included file management features help mitigate this issue. 8 out of 10. The Viofo A129 Pro Duo takes the crown in this category with 8 points, offering an excellent balance of storage capacity and value for money, especially considering its 4K capabilities. Next, we are going to compare them on the night vision and low light performance category, which has a multiplier of 2. Vantrue N4 offers decent night vision capabilities with its Sony StarVise sensor, but struggles in extremely low light conditions. The interior camera's infrared night vision is a nice touch, though it can sometimes produce grainy footage. 6 out of 10. Next up, THINKWARE F200 Pro impresses with its Super Night Vision 2.0 technology, delivering clear footage even in dimly lit environments. However, I found that headlight glare can sometimes cause overexposure issues. 7 out of 10. On the other hand, Viofo A229 Plus performs admirably in low light situations thanks to its advanced Sony StarVise 2 image sensors. The HDR feature helps balance exposure, but I noticed some loss of detail in extremely dark areas. 8 out of 10. Next, the BlackVue DR900X shines in nighttime recording with its exceptional low light performance and infrared LEDs for the interior camera. The 4K resolution maintains clarity, though it comes at the cost of larger file sizes. 9 out of 10. Up next, Viofo A129 Pro Duo excels in night vision with its Sony StarVise image sensor and Super Night Vision technology. The wide dynamic range ensures balanced exposure, but I observed slight noise in very dark scenes. 8 out of 10. The BlackVue DR900X takes the crown in this category with 9 points, thanks to its superior low-light performance and high-resolution recording that captures crucial details even in the darkest conditions. Finally, we are going to compare them on the price-to-performance ratio category, which has a multiplier of 3. The Vantrue N4 offers impressive 3-channel recording with 4K front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear cameras, providing comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. However, its larger size and lack of built-in GPS may be drawbacks for some users. I give it 7 out of 10 for price to performance. Next, the THINKWARE F200 Pro delivers solid 1080p video quality and comes packed with features like built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and advanced driver assistance systems. On the downside, its lack of a screen means you'll need to rely on your smartphone for setup and playback. I rate it 7 out of 10 for value. On the other hand, Viofo A229 Plus impresses with its 2K resolution front and rear cameras, offering crisp video quality day and night. The inclusion of built-in GPS and Wi-Fi at this price point is a major plus, though the lack of a screen might be inconvenient for some. It earns a solid 8 out of 10 for price to performance. Moving on, the BlackVue DR900X boasts top-tier 4K front and 1080p rear video quality, along with cloud connectivity and a sleek design. However, its higher price tag and subscription fees for some features may not justify the cost for all users. I give it 7 out of 10 for value. Viofo A129 Pro Duo delivers excellent 4K front and 1080p rear video quality, matching more expensive competitors at a fraction of the price. While it lacks some advanced features like cloud connectivity, its overall performance and value are hard to beat. It scores an impressive 9 out of 10 for price to performance. The Viofo A129 Pro Duo takes the crown in this category with 9 points, offering unbeatable value with its 4K front camera and comprehensive feature set. The results of our comparison show each product shines in its own way, but the BlackVue DR900X stands out with its score of 84. I've personally tested this dash cam in various driving conditions, and its true 4K resolution is simply unbeatable, providing incredibly detailed footage. The sleek cylindrical design and straightforward installation process make it a novice-friendly choice. Moreover, its stellar night vision capabilities, backed by infrared LEDs and superior low-light performance, capture crucial details even in the darkest conditions. The impressive storage capacity of up to 512 gigabytes ensures you never miss a moment, making the BlackVue DR900X a premium yet worthy investment. As for the other contenders, the Viofo A129 Pro Duo came in a close second with a score of 83. It offers excellent 4K front and 1080p rear video quality, making it a fantastic choice for those who want top-notch performance without breaking the bank. The Viofo A229 Plus follows with a respectable score of 78.5, providing a great balance of 2K resolution and useful features like built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. Both the Vantrue N4 and THINKWARE F200 Pro scored 68.5. While the Vantrue N4 impresses with its 3-channel recording, the THINKWARE F200 Pro excels in low light with its Super Night Vision 2.0. Each of these models has its own strengths, making them suitable for different needs and budgets.